Hey everybody, I'm really happy to be showing you our new Quicklox system today. This is the 4-inch Quicklox system, and the coolest thing about this isn't the fact that it makes dust collection super easy. It isn't that it's got a built-in closed cell polyfoam grommet in there that, like, there's no air leaking at all. Listen, the coolest part about this is it makes a snapping sound. You hear that? I love that sound. So before we get started today and show you all the cool stuff, I will mention that we will be having update videos come out regularly here. So check back for updates on new products, ways to install this, on tricky stuff, all the fun stuff. All those, any questions you have like that, the answers will most likely be here on the website in video format. So you'll be able to find answers to all your questions as we put more and more content out about the Quicklox system. In a kit, you get two things. You get a dust plate and a tool plate. I'll show you the tool plate in a second. Dust plate is really simple. It connects to your 4-inch dust hose. You will need to supply the clamp that clamps it onto the PVC pipe. Now these are really easy to connect. If you look down here, you'll see the tool plate. So each kit comes with a dust plate and a tool plate, and they snap together just like that. Now we do realize that you're probably going to need more tool plates than you are dust plates, and we'll have more options available on the website for that. So if you need 3 or 4, there's options for that as well. So once it's connected, you can turn it on. It's just that easy. Let me find my lighter and show you guys something really cool. So what you just saw was 650 CFMs moving through that pipe without so much as a flicker of the lighter. So it has a really great air seal. It's locked on really tight. There's no way that's coming off of there. It snaps into place. It has a really interesting locking feature, which I'll show you in a second. But in a small shop situation, you can unlock it and be locked into another tool that fast, securely, no weird changeovers. It's just done. For instance, let's walk over here, take our dust collection with us to our planer. Same situation again. Let's see if this one has the air leak. I'm very proud of how well those things connect. So each one of these is made of 4 layers of HDPE. This is 100% recycled half-inch HDPE. And then we use a PVC flange or pipe here to hook your hose to. Now, to make these things lock together, inside you're going to see a closed cell polyethylene foam grommet around there, and then the PVC comes a little proud of that. It slides in there, kind of centering everything, and then when you lock it together, you push together and then let go. And here, the shoulder bolts lock into this little channel that you see right here. So once it's in place, that's where that snap sound comes from. It's locked in, and you're not going to get it out of there unless you push in and turn to release it. We've designed the tool plates with 3 set screws around the ring. So this isn't a typical like clamp system. So you slide that on, then you tighten down your 3 set screws, and that locks everything in place. Now on these tool extensions here that come out of the tools for the dust collection, they can vary a little bit, somewhere between 3 and 7/8 and 4, and sometimes 4 and a 16th. If it's 4 and a 16th, this will have a nice super tight fit down to a 4-inch. It'll be a really nice fit. If it's 3 and 7/8, you might want to add a little bit of silicone around the ring before you lock it down into place, just to make sure you're not getting any air leaks. But this will fit all 4-inch ones. It's just because sometimes it's going to be a really super tight fit, sometimes a tiny bit loose depending on the manufacturer. So when you're putting the tool plate on a metal 4-inch flange, it's going to behave a little differently. It's going to act like a set screw you just tighten down against the metal. When you're putting it on a plastic 4-inch flange, if it's a brittle plastic, you'll want to pre-drill through the plastic with a 1/8 bit before you put your screw in. If it's a softer plastic, it'll just drive right in. One of the cool things is if you're ever in a situation where you need to make a 90-degree angle, you can just unscrew these 3 screws here, pull out the flange, and then you can slide this onto a 90-degree angle for a 3.5 or for a 3-inch pipe, and then you can put the tool plate on the other side. In fact, let's do that and show you how cool this looks. So now with that done, we've taken one of our kits, put it on that 3-inch 90-degree angle piece of PVC, and we can redirect our airflow, like in this case on our planer, so it's out of the way of the material. So thanks for watching the video. We're really excited about our 4-inch Quicklox systems. We'll have the 2.5s out soon, the 2.5-inch tool plates, and then 6 and 8 as well. And then we have another video out for our dust collectors. Be sure to watch that. If you have one of the bag style dust collectors, you'll want to check that video out. It can make your life a lot easier. So keep an eye on the website for new products in the Quicklox lineup. They'll be coming out on a pretty regular basis. And thanks again, guys. We'll see you around.